Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start 2.3 exercise. In this exercise the course topic is square root. Square root, which you have already studied in 7th class. Square root is the value, is the number, positive number whose square is a given number. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक्सरसाइज है जो आपने क्वेश्चंस किए हुए हैं. देयर आर टू मेथड्स, टू वेज थ्रू व्हिच वी फाइंड स्क्वायर रूट. वन इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, द अदर इज डिवीजन मेथड. both of the method you have already solved, already done. So in this question is 784. The first question is 784, square root of 784. By prime factorization, by 2, 3, 9, 2. Again by 2, 1, 9, 6. Again by 2, 9, 8. Again by 2, 4, 9. By 7. Prime factorization means we can only take here prime numbers. No other number we can take here, only the prime numbers, and start from the least number, that is 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 and 2 times 7. 7 multiplied by 7. Now make the squares pair. This one. Separate the squares, split this term. Now we can cancel square root with this square. We cannot cancel here because this square root is for all these three values, and here it is, this square root is only for this square root. So that's why we can cancel these two. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So what is the answer here? 28. So square root of 784 is 28. So this is the method to find the square root by prime factorization. I solve one or two more questions here. By fourth part, 4, 2, 2, 5. This is all by prime factorization. So divide the numbers. Is it possible to divide this number by 2? No. Is it possible to divide this number by 3? That is also not possible. So the next prime number, that is 5. So 5 8s are 40, 2 carry 22, 4, 5. By 5, 5 ones are 5, 3 carry 34, 6 are 40, 4 carry. Now, by which number we can divide here? By 13. 13 is a 169. So here 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13. So make a pair. 5 square multiplied by 13 square. Square root of 5 square and square root of 13 square. Cancel these values. 5 multiplied by 13. So what is the answer here? That is 65. So square root of 4225 is 65. Seventh part, that is 1296. Square root of 1296. In this part, again 1296 by 2, 2 6 are 4, 1 carry 8. Again by 2, 3, 2, 4. Again by 2, 1, 6, 2. Again by 2, 8, 1. Again, it is not possible to divide 81 by 2, so we take 3, 2, 7. By 3, 9. By 3, 3. 3, 1. So all these are the prime numbers. So here square root of 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make the pairs. 2 square multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 3 square and multiplied by 3 square. So separate this one. Square root of 2 square, square root of 2 square, square root of 3 square and square root of 3 square. Now cancel these values. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So what is the answer here? 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So square root of 1296 is 36. Now I solve by the second question. Second question is that find the square root by division method. So by division method, part 1, 1 3 6 8 9. Square root of this one. 1 3 6 8 9. So we divide this number. First of all, before dividing the number, we have to make a pairs in division method. So we start from right to left. This is the only one. And the value of the number which we take here, same value, same number we have to take here. Both. So 1, 1, 1. Bring the complete pair down. Bring it down. 36. Make it double. So that is 2. So if I take here 1, so I have to take here 1. If I want to take 2, I have to take 2 here. If I take 2 here, so 2 into 24, 2 into 22, that is 44. Greater than this value. So 1, 1. अगर यहाँ पे मैं 2 लेता हूँ तो यहाँ पे भी 2 लेना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे 1 ले रहा हूँ तो यहाँ पे भी 1 लेना पड़ेगा. So यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 21 है. So multiply it this one. 5, 1. Bring the complete pair down. 89. Make it double, that is 22. By 7. 7 is 49. 4 carry. 7 2s are 14. 18. 1 carry. 14 and 1. 15. So square root of 13689 is 117. So this is the method to find the square root by division method. In the third part, 103041. So इसको अगर हम फाइंड करें, so by division method 103041. First of all, make the pairs from right to left. This one 10. So 3 is here. 3 9 1 3 0. So इसको डबल करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा 6. By which value we can take? अगर हम यहाँ पे 1 लेते हैं तो यहाँ पे भी हमें 1 लेना पड़ेगा. So that is 61. If I take here 2, so I have to take 2 here also. 2 into 2 4 and 2 into 6 12. This is the nearest one. 6 4 1. Make it double. So 641, so it is very clear. 1 1. So square root of 103041 is 321. So division method is as compared easier than the prime factorization because it is the simplest and direct method. If I take the last part, that is the value greater than 10329796, it is a greater value, higher value. So 10329796, divide the number here by division method. 10329796. Make the pair from right to left. 10 by 3 9 1 3 2. Bring the complete pair. Make it double again by 2 4 124 8. Bring this complete pair 97. Make it double by 1. If we take 2, so it will be greater than 800. So 641. 6 5 2 96. Make it double. So we have 6 4 2 by 4. 4 4 is 16. 1 carry. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. 4 4 16. 1 carry. 4 6 are 24 and 1. Try to make all these multiplication and addition yourself and verbally. Don't use calculator, don't use any other mean, do it yourself. So square root of 10329796 is 3214. So this is the method to find the square root by division method, and before this I told you that how to find the square root by prime factorization. So by both the method we have here, by prime factorization and by division method. Although both the methods you have already solved in 7th class. So even then I solved these questions. So if you feel any problem, so you may contact me. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.